Hello everyone, how are you? I'm fine. So today I introduced to a new platform, Oja Blockchain. The interface is here, very looking nice. The project, the best of the year. You can see details, link in my description, the website, all social media. So let's start. You can see here Ozak blockchain, the new definition of decentralization. The future is now, the future is Oja. You can read more information, learn more, click fast transaction, almost at fee 0.0001 Oja TX, world class security, about mining algorithm, environment environment friendly, ASIC resistant hashing. You can see more details. The ultimate comparison, Bitcoin 10 minute to 16 minute, Ethereum 5 minute to 6 minute, BNB 5 minute to 30 minute, Oza coin 30 second, 30 second to minute, Bitcoin fee, transaction fee, Bitcoin BTC 23 or 13, USDT BNB 0.32 or to 0.45 USDT, Oja 0.00001 USD, Ethereum 15 to 25 USD. Very low fees here. You can use platform very easily, friendly, very in friendly. The project is very good, team working hard, very successful, environment friendly. Our commitment to sustainable blockchain. Everything we make has impact on people and the planet. Learn more about our environmental and social responsibility program, including merchant program. You can read here more information, read more, click. Energy efficient, Eric is resistant and proof of work mining algorithm. Oza was built a green blockchain with an environmental impact focus for the very beginning. With a hashing algorithm consensus mechanism, Oza far for more energy efficient than other blockchain. So you can read more information, click read more. For personal business investor, for personal secure wallet, store safely, make payment and earn reward. Experience blockchain technology in the way easiest way. You can use Uja wallet 24 hours and 7 days and transfer fund and to very low transaction fee and to at high speed and earning reward. So you can see here more details information, looking very nice. Balance story, blazing fast, total balance, then gold, environment friendly, secure, low transaction fee, balance, USDT balance, coin balance, card. So you can very useful, friendly with the trading, reward, payment, etc. You can create wallet, click here, create wallet with your Gmail account. So you can read more information down. So limited time get free Uja coin, start rewarding your customer. The limited edition programs is set to support good hearted local and digital brands to give their customer compliments on Uja coin. Sign up here. You can power business for power business for power your business with Oja. Increase your customer loyalty by rewarding your customers with Oja coin. Join our merchant program. So investor, for investor, be yearly supporter of the future. The future is now, the future is Oja. Every energy efficient, world class security for fast transaction and almost zero transaction fee. Be part of the revolution for public sale status. White paper, you can click here. White paper, you can see a white paper, very informative white paper. Uja community, global community here. You can see scroll down, the OJA community is globally distributed, home to coin holders, developers, miners, and partners. Connect with OJA global community here. OJA Asia Pacific community, OJA Europe community, OJA America community, OJA Africa and OJA Middle East community. You can join OJA Discord community, discuss and collaborate on our channel. So you can more informative in OJA Coin homepage. You can see here more details get updated with progress, promo campaign. OJA community campaign giveaway has started. You can click here, join. More information, very more informative. OJA, you can see here all details information. OJA Coin, Telegram, Twitter, Discord, Facebook, Instagram, Medium, LinkedIn support. You can join, link in my description, all details. So we can go to your wallet, org wallet, ojacoin.org dashboard. You can see here your name, portfolio, your balance. Here you can see my balance here, 63.68 balance, ojacoin balance. Balance is history is here, all details here, pre-sale, with all balance. You can see here, you can copy your wallet address here. Click three dot menu here, and click scan QR code bar. You can see here OJA coin. Click here, copy here, copy. You can copy here. So thank you so much using ojacoin.org. Thank you so much watching my video. Subscribe my channel, follow OJA Coin, all social media, link in my description. Thank you so much.